Avi, your patient's here.
Oh, hey, if you've rolled your ankle and were unsure what to do, you need to watch this video. Hey friends, Aviphysio here. In today's video, I'm going to discuss what you need to do if you've just rolled your ankle and were presenting with an acute ankle sprain. Now, if this is the first time you're watching one of my videos, be sure to hit subscribe so you can have access to videos just like this that help you to be the best physical version of you. More often than not, ankle sprains occur when the ankle twists or rolls in a particular way that stretches the connective tissue that bind the ankle bones together. Now, these connective tissues are known as ligaments, and when you stretch them, it creates pain, inflammation, as well as reduces the motion of the ankle joint and reduces the strength in the muscles around them. Now, before we get to what to do, it's important to know what actually happens in an acute ankle sprain. You see, the first 24 to 72 hours is known as the inflammatory period. And think of inflammation as swelling that occurs on the inside, which begins right after the onset of injury. Now, inflammation controls both the bleeding as well as the healing in the area by sending through healing and repair cells to the site of the injury. Now, while inflammation is necessary, prolonged inflammation can slow down the overall healing process, which can be a problem for function later. So the way to manage an acutely sprained ankle is to control the inflammation in that inflammatory period. Now, how do we control inflammation? We use the R.I.C.E principle. Now, hold on. If you're on a low-carb diet, I'm not talking about R.I.C.E the food. I'm talking about R.I.C.E the acronym, which stands for rest, ice, compression, elevation. And I'm going to break down these four components to you now. Rest. Now, rest does not mean lying in bed, not moving. Rest means active rest, so avoiding activities that aggravate you while still moving everything else. So you may avoid running, jumping, or high intensity activities or weight bearing activities with heavy resistance, but you can still do gentle ankle movements and move the other areas. This is important because it helps to create circulation to the entire body and help to decrease stiffness at the ankle, which is going to help with your overall healing. Ice. Ice can be considered nature's painkiller. You can apply an ice pack over the site of swelling and inflammation from anywhere between 5 to 20 minutes because different textbooks and research, they all say different things. So 5 to 20 minutes is the sweet spot as to how long to apply ice to an area for. Now guys, if you don't have an ice pack at home, frozen peas or mixed vegetable work just as well, as long as you don't cook the peas and mixed veggies afterwards, because then you don't have an ice pack, but that's your problem. Compression. Now compression means putting something that's tight over that area, either in the form of an ankle guard or wrapping it up with a bandage, a crepe bandage, or any form of strapping that you may have at home. If you are unsure how to wrap an ankle up, I'm going to show you that in a video that I'm going to post the link to below. And finally, elevation. Now, elevation means having the site of the injury, which is in this case the ankle, having it higher than the hip or the heart. You see, gravity allows for better drainage of that area. So when you're sleeping, you can stack up a few pillows so that your foot is higher than your hip and higher than your heart. When you're sitting, and if your ankle is sprained, try to have your ankle on a raised surface, and this will fast track the healing process. Now guys, just to be mindful, this is for a mild sprain. If you have an acute sprain that's really inflamed and it's really painful, you might want to check out your local physio or doctor first just to have that x-rayed or to have it looked at if you feel that you're unable to manage that on your own. I hope you found this useful, guys, and I hope you all stay safe and stay strong.